It's Chris. We're back today. We're going to be looking at the iSteadyX by Hohem. So you can see the box comes pretty straightforward. You can see there's little 256 grams. It's an ultralight foldable design, 3-axis stabilization. It does come with what they call moment mode. I can review those. It's kind of interesting. I like the quick roll switch, so one click of a button and it goes from portrait to landscape. And then it also has auto face tracking. In this box, you're gonna get the iSteadyX itself, the mini tripod, the storage pouch, the power cable, and the wrist strap. And as you can see, it comes with many ways to download the iHome app. It is an Apple and Google Store compatible. The rest of this, here we go, we get that. And then we get the bottom of the box. There's nothing there, not much on the top, other than it looks like a product registration code. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. We're gonna take that off there. So right off the bat, this is the gimbal. And you can see it comes locked already. Pretty straightforward. I'm gonna rotate this right here. Pull it, extend it out all the way. Lock it back up, twist at the top up here. Now it's loose. So the gimbal is loose up here. This is loose. And you got 3-axis design. Pretty straightforward. You've got the wide and tight, WNT, for your zoom. I believe this also works for focus. If you decide to touch focus on the Hohem app and go up and down, you can also change your focus. Here is the position, we'll call that a directional. So up, down, left, right, and then we have on, off here, and then we also have the picture and video start mode right here. On the side, you've got the USB charger. I don't know if you can see that. And also in this box, you have the stand for it, the wrist strap, the manual. Go ahead and put that here so you can see it. There you go. See everything that it comes with. And lastly, the case to carry it all in. Now, I had the chance to take this out recently to the beach so you can see some of the footage now. Can't keep up with him. And the access itself works very well. It's pretty intuitive. I originally had a little bit of an issue with the app showing me, it looked like Chinese when I clicked on the main logo on the Hohem Pro app. I contacted Hohem and they were able to kind of help me with that. What they did is just basically deactivate the clickability of that image so that I can't go to that part anymore. But you can adjust a lot in the app itself. I think this is a really good starter gimbal. It's very easy to set up, very light, not too hard to move. Gave a very nice, clean and easy tracking. So if you are thinking about getting a gimbal and this is your first venture into it, this is a very good starter unit. And I believe at the time that I purchased this, this was in August of 2020. It was around $79 at that time. I do plan on using this one for my real estate social media. So So that wraps up for another one today, and I hope to bring further reviews to you shortly. Have a wonderful day.